Hello, my name is Alexis Buzza, and I'm a safety tech here at A600.
And my name is Matthew Fry, and I'm also a safety tech here at A600.
Today, we are going to be demonstrating to you our unscheduled departure process.
For this portion, we're going to demonstrate the securing of the trailer for the unscheduled departure process for door 207. First, we're going to need the glad hand lock for door 207. Second, we're going to use our measuring tool. And third, the blank unscheduled departure form. For this portion of the process, we always start outside and we work our way in. Filling out the unscheduled departure sheet, starting with the door 207. The carrier, as you can see, is Rancocas, and the trailer number 5317. For this portion, I will be demonstrating jack stand placement. Before placing the jack stand, always remember to inspect it first. Once the jack stand is centered, you want to make sure the height is where it needs to be. Always between 1 to 2 inches and never touching the bottom of the trailer. We created a tool to give us a visual of what 2 inches looks like. Looks good right there. Now we're going to slide it in. Make sure that it is in alignment with the kingpin plate. Next, we're going to focus on glad hand lock placement. Always attach it to the red air hose. Next, we're going to focus on tandem placement. Tandem should always be back as far as they should go, but if not, please notate it on the box why. Next, wheel chalks. These are the triangular shaped wheel chalks. Notice that the rigid always goes flush to the ground next to the outer rear tire. Now I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. Now that the outside is complete, we're going to focus on securing the trailer from the inside. Next step is our fall protection. We're going to open it. Open our door. Turn on our light. Put it in position. Once that's complete, we're going to engage our lock to the ICC bar, which is the Interstate Commerce Commission's bar. Once that's engaged, we're going to raise our dock leveler. Once that's complete, we move on to inspecting the trailer. First thing you want to look for is any holes or cracks in the floor. Second, you want to make sure that there's nothing protruding from the side, whether it be metal or anything that could possibly cause harm to the product. And third, you want to survey the roof, make sure that there's no cracks or leaks. because of water damage could possibly get through and also cause harm to the product or floor. We have now concluded the securing of the trailer for the unscheduled departure process. Once your paperwork is filled out, you want to make sure that you hang the clipboard. And that concludes the process. Thank you.
Now that the unloading portion is complete, we're going to move on to the releasing of the trailer. Next step is the removal of the jack stand. Next step is the glad hand lock removal. Next step, we're going to remove our wheel chocks and put them back in the wheel chock holder. Next step is the other side. For this step, we're going to raise our dock leveler. Now we're going to release our dock lock. We're going to turn off our light and pull it back. Then we're going to pull down our trailer door. Lock it. And we're going to move our fall protection net. Now that the releasing process is complete and all our boxes are checked, I'm going to sign and date. This now concludes our process of the unscheduled departure. Thank you.
Always remember,
If you're going to do it,
there's only one way, the safe way.